In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product from CJ Dropshipping to your Wix store. Adding products to your online store is an essential part of managing a successful e-commerce business, and understanding this process can significantly streamline your operations, making your store more appealing to your shoppers. Let's dive right in. Before we get into the steps, it's important to note that CJ Dropshipping does not natively support Wix stores. However, there is a workaround, and I'm here to guide you through it. So let's start with the first thing you need to do. You'll want to log into your CJ Dropshipping account. This is where your journey begins because logging in gives you access to the various products that CJ Dropshipping offers. Take a moment to make sure your login details are correct, and find a comfortable place with good internet connectivity to make the process as smooth as possible. Once you're logged in, it's time to find the product you'd like to add to your Wix store. Browsing through your options, consider what fits best with your store theme and existing product lineup. Keep your audience in mind and think about what's trending or in demand to make a well-informed choice. When you locate a product you want to feature, click on it to open up its details page. Here, you'll find all the necessary information about price, description, and images, which helps you convey the product effectively to your customers. Now, you will need to copy all these details. Highlight the text, right-click your mouse, or use the shortcut keys to select copy. Be sure to gather all the relevant information about the product, including its description, prices, and any specific attributes or images you want to showcase. This copied data will soon be crucial for populating your Wix store with this new product. Switch over to your Wix dashboard. This is your command center for managing your online store. Within your Wix dashboard, you'll want to look for the catalog option. Clicking on it will give you access to your products section. Navigate to the product area. From here, you'll see an option to create a new product. This button is your gateway to adding a fresh item to your store's inventory. Now it's time to utilize that information you copied from CJ Dropshipping. In the new product section, paste the details you've collected. This includes product descriptions, images, and any other pertinent details. Paste carefully, ensuring all the listings accurately reflect the product from CJ Dropshipping and align with your store's presentation style. The final crucial step is to save your work. Locate the Save button and click on it. This action ensures that all the hard work you've done is securely stored, and your new product becomes part of your storefront, ready for customers to view and purchase. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a CJ Dropshipping product to your Wix store, overcoming the platform limitations with grace. Now, you're one step closer to expanding your product offerings and driving more sales. Remember, consistency is key, and refining this process will make it even more efficient over time. Happy selling!